Hi guys. Let's see how to restart your Windows 10 computer. This will show you the options available to you to turn off your PC and then back on. Here I will show you 3 options. But remember which method you use to reboot, it will happen in the same way. First option is using Start menu. Open the Start menu. In the Start menu from the bottom left corner select the power icon. In the power menu choose Restart. Second option is using hidden Start menu. Right-click on the Start menu. Here select Shutdown or Sign Out. Then choose Restart. Third option is using Command Prompt. Open the Start menu and search Command Prompt or type CMD. On the Command Prompt window enter the given command and press Enter. A prompt will appear on your screen and select Close. Your PC will reboot in 60 seconds. That's all about restarting your PC. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, share and comment to the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.